So today we have here the Nest Thermostat E. So a couple of years ago they released the Nest Learning Thermostat and they're progressing to make it more cheaper. Enough talking about this. Let's crack this open. Oh, there's a tab. I don't care. Ugh. Okay. Garbage. Okay. Oh, it's like an Apple unboxing. There it is, right there. Okay, the Nest. Set that aside. We have the guide. Label the wires. We should do that. That there. And the base. Should just connect it there. Turn off the power. Okay, whatever. Box. Trash. The plate, just in case there's some screws standing out. So let's set this up and I'll be right back. Overall setup is pretty simple. And we have just to wait for this to, okay, never mind. Just select the language. I'll just fast forward here so you don't have to watch all of this. And just the location and if it's a single family or multi-family. Where it's located, like the family room, the bedroom, any place. What type of heating do we have? The eco temperatures, which is really nice from the Nest. I'll just set that up and okay, got that. Just checking the heat if it works. Don't mind the different area, but I had to switch. Anyway, the Nest Thermostat has a motion sensor, so if I walk right next to it, it will turn on without me touching it. Let's check this out. And as you can see, as soon as I walked by it, it turned on. As you know, Nest has their own app, so now I will be giving you a tour. So here's the home screen of the Nest app. And so you just click on the thermostat, and I could lower it, increase it just by clicking the buttons, or I believe, yeah. So you can just click on the dial too. And 71. And I can go to heat. There's cool, heat and cool, which sets parameters and has to stay in between those. And there's eco temperatures. Let's go back to heat. There's also the fan where you can set times for it to turn on or just turn on for like 15 minutes or something. There's a schedule, which it looks menacing, but it's pretty easy once you get to know it. And it's pretty fast to know too. So I can just put this up or that up or like sideways, which changes the time. Go back. And I have it set for all the days, so good. So it's good, and you can go there's settings. There's home away assist, which uses geolocation. So once your once your phone goes away out of the house, it turns off automatically, or goes to eco temperatures. There's auto schedule, time to temp, early on, cool to dry, sunblock, leave, airway, eco temperatures, temperature units, etc. There's also a lock. Everything has a lock nowadays. Okay. And go out. There's settings for the home. You can do like spaces if you have like a Nest cam. I don't need that. So. And there's product ads where you can just add the product. Nest Cam, Nest Thermostat, Nest Protect, everything. All in one app, so it's easy and convenient. As soon as I click it, let's put it to 72, it comes onto the thermostat. It's user-friendly. And just button, and then you have all these things, settings, fan, everything just easy.